Today we're going to talk about improving your trading by staying off the trading screen. Stay tuned, traders. We'll be right back. G'day traders, I'm Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Today we're going to be talking about improving your trading by staying off the trading screen. So as we've discussed in other videos, and I've talked about moving all my trading to end of day, the more and more that I study the end of day price charts and have gone back just to basic trend lines and rectangles and studying Peter Brandt and Schaubacher, Edwards and McGee, I realize how many great opportunities I've missed by being locked into these short-term time frames. And often what you'll find with the end of day trading is that especially on these, if you look at the month-to-month separators and look at the monthly calendars on your price charts, there's often 3 or 4 really basic patterns that will show up over and over again. One of them is a rectangle. One of them is the high of the low period and low of the high period, which we've talked about in other videos. 20 period highest close, usually a small bar, or 20 period lowest close, usually a small bar at the introduction or the beginning of the month. There's often a continuation move and a measured move where you'll see a large move already have taken place. But the point of today's video is that since I've gone to end of day trading, my trading has improved. Now I've made a lot of mistakes kind of reshaping this and getting familiar with exactly what it was that I was looking for. I talk about building the playbook. You know, if you haven't done so, go to my homepage, get my 7-step daily routine for high performance traders. It's about ritualizing your daily routines, and building my playbook has been one of the most critical things in me simplifying what I'm looking for in these charts. There's enough of these simple trades over the 20-25 pairs that I look through that I only need to get 3 or 4 of those. And when you really narrow it down to really simple patterns, there's no analysis paralysis. It's simply me putting either a market order in or a limit order with my stop placement, my position sizing, and I leave it. Now the next hardest part about this, of course, is not looking at the chart during the day. So, I was used to looking at the hourly charts, and, but what I realized is that the more I looked at them and as I fought to sort of pull away, I realized that once you understand the daily charts, or you've got a methodology that you're applying to the daily charts, even if there's a good move on the hourly chart, I mean, occasionally I might see something there, but I'm not even interested now in looking at that, which is why, you see me down at the beach or out at the park with my dogs. I often like to get out, work out. My kids are on school holidays this couple of weeks. So, again, it comes back to what I'm trying to achieve with my trading, and obviously you want to produce an income and a certain lifestyle, but for me it's more about the freedom to be able to enjoy yourself. I do not enjoy being inside, being at a computer screen. Now, I'm an early morning riser. I love to be up early going through and system testing, like looking at different ways that I can possibly look for an edge or improve my edge, but everything boils back down to the same things. So I would encourage you to take a look at the longer time frames. If you're struggling to be consistent, step back, look at the longer time frames, look at how you can, like I can look at a chart in a minute and decide whether or not it fits my parameters for a trade entry or an order, or if it's setting up to do so. One of the great things I love about that is I really look towards the monthly rollover into the new month for those setup patterns to happen. So it just, again, I'm looking, like Ray Dalio says, what do I know to be true? Well, I know that there's going to be a first bar of the month and a last bar of the month. So that gives me a point A and a point B to work from with my trading. I like Peter Brandt's material and breakouts. I like to look at the weekly charts. But week to week, I look at the daily charts. I'm looking for just some basic patterns to set up. I miss trades all the time. I missed a great trade the other day. Part of that's me getting over my fear and just being willing to place these trades, which is what I'm forcing myself to do now. I'm pushing the envelope again. And that's what the 7-step daily routine is about. It's about forcing you to keep leveling up, focused on constant progress, improving your trading skills, accelerate your learning, setting goals, journaling your trades, working on the vision of who it is and what it is that you want to become with your trading. So again, if you want to improve your trading, look at getting yourself off the charts, because the number one thing that inhibited my trading and inhibits most retail traders is looking at you right back in the mirror. So hopefully you got some value out of today's video, traders. Keep the questions coming. Thank you for the great compliments. Keep focused on, just sharpening that edge, improving your skills, working on your emotional headspace, developing discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset to master the markets. Have a great trading week, and may the markets go with you. Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.